Well, cutting across right now to the Jantar Mantar, where one rank, one pension protests are still continuing. War veterans are hoping for a breakthrough, but talks are stuck on a crucial clause of the annual pension review. Well, with the Bihar elections due to be announced in around a week's time, all these ex-servicemen and the government have a very narrow window essentially to reach a deal on one rank, one pension. Now, a package on its and its rollout may be tough to announce once the code of conduct comes into place. Now, however, we understand that there are indications that negotiators from both sides may be narrowing down their differences essentially and might just be about to reach a common ground. But the point also is that there's just about a 1 week window left for both sides to announce and to come to a compromise. Vijay Kao is reporting from the Jantar Mantar on this. Now, Vijay, as I was saying, that there's a very narrow 1 week window now, but we've been hearing that perhaps negotiators from both sides may be narrowing down on their differences now.
Well, exactly. The window has narrowed down to about a week before the government can in fact make an announcement as far as one rank, one pension is concerned, before the code of conduct in fact kicks in. Now, we do know that the ex-servicemen have been in talks with the government. One of the main issues on which the main sticking point on this particular matter has been the equalization policy. Now, the veterans are saying that they want a yearly equalization of pension, whereas the government has been insistent on it being a five-year phenomenon. Let's talk to Wing Commander Neb, who's joining us here from Jantar Mantar, and discuss more. So, as far as the equalization is concerned, the veterans have been very, very categorical that equalization of pensions should take place on a yearly basis. But the government, in fact, says that it should be done on a 5-yearly basis. What would you like to tell the government in this regard?
The point is the basic definition of OROP is one rank, one pension. We at no point in time we want the junior to get more than the senior. With the policy of even 5 years is going to happen. We can give you the calculation how it's going to happen. But the fact is, we had come forward. We had compromised to 2 years with a caveat that at no point of time the junior should get more than the senior. Moment that happens, if you stretch that back to the same level, we are okay with it. But government has taken their own stand and their own thinking. I don't know what they're thinking about, but they have not obviously agreed to it. So we believe now we have gone back to what we were earlier. That means status quo.
So, also very importantly is the point that it is very shortly election date for Bihar will in fact be announced and the code of conduct will kick in. And the government barely has about a week's window to make this announcement. Don't you think the government should expedite this process now, given the fact that several veterans have been on fast unto death, some of them for 16 days, and also the relay hunger strike going on for over 75 days now?
I have much more to cover on this. Government should be worried about from many angles, not only this angle. One is the fabric of the armed forces is being battered. That is not for the long term is going to affect. Second one, for the immediate one, the people those are on hunger strike, one other on perpetual, unto death, and the other one are relay hunger strike. So I'm worried about more the people those who are unto death. If loss occurs, it's the government's responsibility again, because we already have an order which government is supposed to implement, and we are pushing for the same cause. So they got to think, not us really.
There you go. The veterans are very clearly saying that the ball is in fact in the government's court. They are saying that as far as the equalization policy is concerned, the veterans were at some point in time ready to meet the government and walk that extra mile and agree for 2-year equalization policy. But because the government has been insistent on a 5-year policy, is why the veterans have now gone back on their demand for yearly equalization of pensions, which is the primary sticking point as far as one rank, one pension is concerned as of now. Back to you.